Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can fix where the mouse cursor disappeared or is not showing on your Windows. So please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. So first is we are going to bring up our device manager. So in the Windows search bar right here, we need to type device manager, or you can just simply make a right click at the start button and then select device manager. In here in the device manager window, we need to look for the mice and pointing and other pointing devices. Now simply click on the down arrow on your keyboard and click on mice and other pointing devices. Then click on the right arrow. Now click on your mouse driver. Then right click. Right click and then select update driver. Click on the first option. Search automatically for drivers. Hit enter. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply click on the close button. Now once done, restart your Windows. So click on the Windows key on your keyboard and then click on the tab keys. Then simply click restart. Now once you have restarted your Windows, try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if not, if the problem is still there, then what you'll have to do is you need to simply go back to the device manager window. Then click again on your keyboard, right click, and then select update driver. Now this time click on browse my computer for drivers, hit enter. Then choose, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Then click this button, check for updates. So this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. Now once done, simply close this window. Then just make a restart again on your Windows by pressing the Windows key and then click on the tab keys. Then click on restart. Now once you have restarted your Windows, try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if not, then go back to the same device manager window. Then here we are going to click again on our mouse driver, right click and then select uninstall device. Warning, you're about to uninstall this device from your system. Driver may not be removed if it is still in use by other devices. Now you have to click on uninstall button. Click on enter. So once you have uninstalled the mouse driver of your Windows, again press the Windows key on your keyboard and then click on the tab keys. Hit enter and then restart your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, then the mouse driver will be automatically reinstalled into your Windows, and try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now, for the last method is we are going to run some commands in the command prompt. So simply close this window first. Then open the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD. Now best match is command prompt. You have to simply use your tab keys on your keyboard and then click on run as administrator. Hit enter. The black window will appear, and here in the black window you need to type chkdsk space forward slash f space forward slash r and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter. For the second command, type here sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Now this process will take some time. The verification is starting from 1% and that will goes up to 100%. So we're just going to wait for this process to be done. Once done, just type exit, hit enter, and then press the Windows key on your keyboard and then use your tab keys. Then click on restart. So once you have restarted your Windows, then you're good to go. So if any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.